Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the start relay in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. To move the refrigerator away from the wall, raise both front leveling legs. Use a 1/4-inch socket or nut driver to unthread all of the screws to release the lower rear access panel. Use needle nose pliers to detach the retainer, securing the start relay and run capacitor. You can now detach the relay and capacitor from the compressor motor. Disconnect the wire connector. Install the new start relay by transferring the run capacitor from the old component to the new one. Connect the wire connector. Position the assembly on the compressor motor pins. Secure with the retainer. Reinstall the access panel. Push the refrigerator back against the wall and lower the front leveling legs. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.